Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the camera lens glass and back cover on the Motorola Moto One 5G Ace mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and then follow with the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the paste adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Next, create an opening using a suction cup and then insert a plastic upright tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Next, using a heat gun, apply heat to soften the glue on the fingerprint button. Next, hold the fingerprint button and pull out the back cover from the body. Next, clean the unwanted adhesive from the back cover. Next, take out the board frame by undoing 10 screws. Be gentle with the fingerprint button. Next, apply heat to the camera lens glass. For this, we are using a heat gun. And then slightly apply pressure from the rear side to take out the lens. Next, place a new camera lens glass with adhesive on the frame. Next, place the board frame by adding 10 screws. Ensure the fingerprint button has secured on the frame. Next, before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tie in the back cover with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.